All right, let's keep going. So governance, risk, and compliance. In a nutshell, it's three different categories that are very, very broad. Govern is information management. In a nutshell, that's what it is. An organization's rules to protect the information. But it's also, how do you protect the physical security of the system? How do you lead the culture of the organization? There's a lot of more things to the leadership and the management of the organization. But if I could sum it up in one sentence, it's information management. Risk management, very technical at times. It's resource intensive, but it's identifying and managing the security of an organization. If I could put it to you this way, every single organization has a certain level of risk. And there's no way around. You're not going to ever be 100% secure with anything, no matter what it is. Your home is not 100% secure. Your life is not 100% secure. Your job, your bank, nothing is 100%. Country, nothing. The best we can do is manage the risk as best we can. So how do we do that? You do it. There's several different ways. You've got physical risk management. You've got information risk management. There's tools that we can use. There's all kinds of jobs that allow us to manage the risk. Compliance is what has been made extremely political. And this is the stuff that people hate the most, compliance. But compliance is the thing that kind of wraps everything together, because if you go to a hospital, be in a bed and not have some compliance, you know what I mean? Like, compliance is making sure that the organization, be it a hospital or a bank, is making sure that they are doing what they're supposed to do. Because if the bank is not protecting your information effectively, if the hospital is not protecting your information effectively, it can affect your entire life. It can actually, life is one thing, but another thing is the organization could be brought down if they're not fully compliant, if they're not securing their systems properly. You got ransomware and things like that. So all of these things is kind of, they need one another to survive. Governance needs compliance, and both those things together help to manage the risk if you're compliant with all those things. So let's keep going. That's governance, risk, and compliance. It is three separate, huge concepts that have many, many different jobs underneath it. And we'll come back to those as we go. So it's very important you understand the concept of governance, risk, and compliance. And every industry has governance, risk, and compliance. That's what I want you to understand.